Hi viewers, welcome back to Trendy Wear Costume. In this video, I'm come up to show you a beautiful and heavy bridal wedding sleeve design using normal needle. For that, we have to mark checked line like this using scale and glass marker white pencil. Here, I'm giving this marking of the sleeve 1 inch by 1 inch using normal scale. After complete this crosswise marking, now we are going to start our design using glitter shade Zardozi. So this is the glitter shade Zardozi which I have already selected. It's look great. Now we are going to start Zardozi work. For that, apply the Fevikwik fabric glue on the marking line and fix this glitter shade Zardozi on it. If you want to sew the Zardozi using sewing needle, then do side stitch to complete all the Zardozi work. Else skip the sewing method, then glue all the Zardozi. This is one among the best method to complete Zardozi work quickly. I'm sure that it will not remove or damage. Once you complete the Zardozi work, then this is the final look. See how it's look great. Now we are going to do hanging design. For that, we should insert double strands of sewing thread into needle. Then take out the needle at the top of this checked box. Then insert the needle followed by one number 2 antique bead and the sugar bead. We should do the same hanging design without leaving any gap inside and outside of the Zardozi. I'm damn sure that it finally give amazing look, and it is definitely a bit longer to finish this hanging design because we have to do inside and outside of all the Zardozi, but it has not any long process or difficult steps to complete. Everything just hanging design. So wash neatly and complete the hanging design inside and outside of all the Zardozi, then it will give finally a great outlook. Follow this instruction which I am sharing with you now. You can design it accordingly. The same way you can try for back neck and front neck design also. Don't forget to use double strands of sewing thread because double strands will hold all the beads tightly than single strands of thread. Once we complete all the hanging design, then this is the final outlook of this beautiful heavy checked sleeve design. This is how we have to highlight inside checked box followed by antique bead and the sugar bead. Firstly, I would insert the needle with golden round ring, which is also called as chakri. So do the side stitch to hold this chakri like this. Then take out the needle at the bottom of this chakri and then insert the needle followed by one antique bead and the sugar bead like this. So do the same process throughout this checked box so that we will get amazing look. Once we complete this hanging design, then apply this Fevikwik fabric glue inside of this chakri. Then fix white color Jharkhand stone on it. It is also called as Kundan stone. You can select this Kundan stone, depends upon your blouse contrast color. So this is the final outlook of this amazing and heavy bridal checked sleeve design. So hope guys you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and support my effort. Then if you want more interesting video like this, then stay tuned with the lovable Trendy Wear Costume. Until then, this is Rashmi. Bye bye. See you on the next video.